IRS Form 2290 is the Heavy Highway Vehicle Use Tax Return. If you operate a vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more on public highways, you must file this form and pay the annual use tax. The tax period runs from July 1 through June 30, and the return is typically due by August 31. Truckers and fleet operators file this each year to keep their vehicles registered. Schedule 1 is the most important part of the form. List each vehicle by its vehicle identification number and indicate its taxable gross weight category. The weight determines which tax rate applies. The IRS returns a stamped copy of Schedule 1, which you need to register or re-register your vehicle at the DMV. Part 2 computes the tax owed. Multiply the number of vehicles in each weight category by the applicable tax rate. Vehicles used for 5,000 miles or fewer during the tax period, or 7,500 miles or fewer for agricultural vehicles, may be taxed at a suspended rate. Add up the tax for all categories to get your total amount due. You can file Form 2290 electronically through IRS-approved providers for fleets of 25 or more vehicles. Pay by electronic funds withdrawal, credit card, or check. The stamped Schedule 1 you receive back serves as your proof of payment for registration purposes. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.